The American holly tree, Ilex opaca, is a native evergreen species known for its distinctive glossy leaves, red berries, and use in festive decorations during the holiday season. If you're looking to grow this iconic tree in your landscape or contribute to its conservation, understanding how to collect and germinate American holly tree seeds is a crucial first step. We'll explore the entire process, from harvesting to successful germination. Harvesting American holly seeds. 1. Identification. Begin by identifying mature American holly trees. Look for trees that are at least 5 years old, as younger trees may not produce viable seeds. 2. Timing is key. The best time to harvest American holly seeds is in the fall, typically from September to November. During this period, the berries are fully ripened and the seeds are mature. 3. Gather supplies. Before you start harvesting, gather the necessary supplies: pruning shears or scissors, a bucket or bag for collecting berries, gloves to protect your hands from the prickly leaves. 4. Selecting berries. Choose berries that are bright red and free from any signs of disease or damage. Ensure the berries are fully ripe, as unripe berries may not contain viable seeds. 5. Harvesting method. Using pruning shears or scissors, carefully cut the branches containing the ripe berries. Collect the berries in your bucket or bag, making sure not to damage them. 6. Extracting seeds. Once you've gathered the berries, it's time to extract the seeds. Gently crush the berries to release the seeds. A rolling pin or similar tool can be used to help separate the seeds from the pulp. Cleaning and preparing the seeds. 1. Cleaning. Rinse the seeds thoroughly to remove any remaining pulp. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to separate the seeds from the pulp and debris. 2. Drying. Lay the cleaned seeds on a paper towel to air dry for 24-48 hours. Ensure they are completely dry before proceeding to the next step. Germination tips. 1. Cold stratification. American holly seeds require a period of cold stratification to break dormancy. Place the seeds in a plastic bag or container filled with a moistened substrate, such as vermiculite or peat moss. Seal the container and refrigerate for 60-90 days. 2. Planting. After the cold stratification period, plant the seeds in a well-draining potting mix. Sow them at a depth of approximately twice the seed diameter. 3. Light and temperature. Maintain a consistent temperature between 60-70 F, 15-21 C for optimal germination. Provide bright, indirect light for the seedlings. 4. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle to avoid disturbing the seeds. 5. Patience. American holly seeds may take several weeks to germinate. Be patient and continue to provide the right conditions for their growth. By following these comprehensive steps for harvesting and germinating American holly tree seeds, you're on your way to cultivating this beautiful native species. Whether you're adding a touch of holiday spirit to your landscape or contributing to conservation efforts, the journey from seed collection to a thriving holly tree is a rewarding and educational experience. Happy gardening!